Welcome. In this video we're going to look at some compound time signatures. This can get a little bit confusing, but we're going to keep it as simple as possible. A compound time signature is where there are macro beats and micro beats within that time signature structure. So before we've looked at time signatures and we've looked at the top note and the top number and the bottom number. So let's start here with the numbers 6, 4. We know that 4 on the bottom tells us that the beats are crotchets, but those are actually going to be the micro beats when we get to a compound time signature. So there are 6 crotchets in a bar. That still is true. It's not breaking the rules we've set before. There are 6 crotchets. However, there are not 6 beats. It doesn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? There's 2 strong beats in this time signature. So there's 2 groups to these notes. Which means that the main beat is actually a dotted minim or dotted half note. Because it goes 1 and 2 and 2 main beats. That's what it's going to feel like. 6, 8 is very similar, but they're quavers. 6 quavers in a bar, but they're grouped specifically in these 2 sets of 3. So the beat is a dotted crotchet or dotted quarter note. Same thing for 9, 8. That's going to be 3 beats in a bar, because we talk about the beats as being those macro beats. And then 12, 8 is going to be 4 beats in a bar. So we need to remember that the number on the bottom does not always tell us the beats, the main beats. It tells us a certain note value, but those can be grouped in beats. If you want a quick way at a glance to say, is this time signature simple or do I need to think about it a bit more? If the number on top is higher than 5, it's going to be a compound time. That's just a quick rule of thumb, but in general, if you understand the groupings, the 6 dividing into 2 groups of 3, 6, 8, same thing. 9 divides into 3 groups of 3, 12 divides into 4 groups of 3. You can understand these time signatures, no problem, and it's all about that feeling of big beats and little beats.